How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys some of the best VPNs for UAE. Now, if you're looking for VPNs with UAE servers, you're going to want to go with either CyberGhost or Surfshark. So if I go ahead and look up UAE with Surfshark, you'll find it right here. You have a location for the UAE. And with CyberGhost, the same thing. Just go to CyberGhost, go ahead, just expand it. All servers, look up United Arab Emirates, and there we go. So you have a UAE server right here. Now, keep in mind that the UAE is a pretty restrictive country with regards to VPN use. So if you're looking for a VPN with UAE servers specifically, you can go with Surfshark or CyberGhost. But if you're looking for a VPN for use within the UAE, then I would recommend ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Both VPNs will work wonderfully with regards to bypassing the restrictions within the UAE, since it's a pretty restrictive country. But if you're outside the UAE, then you want to get UAE IP addresses and go with either CyberGhost or Surfshark. My personal recommendation would be Surfshark, given that Surfshark is an overall more reliable option, especially that it has more security features such as split tunneling and double VPN. But if you guys are interested in learning more about these VPNs, you'll find links to full reviews in the description down below, as well as links to pricing and discounts if you're interested in picking up any of these VPNs. So feel free to take advantage of these discounts while they last. And all these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, except for CyberGhost that has a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. And they all do have 45, and they all do have live chats, and they all do have 24/7 live chat support. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.